Hey there! Today, we're diving into the LiTime 12V 100Ah LiFePO4 battery. Let's jump right in and start by exploring its specifications without any delay. Key specifications: voltage 12 volt, capacity 100 ampere hours, chemistry lithium iron phosphate, cycle life 2000 plus cycles, weight 28.6 pounds, number of cells 4, terminal M8 terminal, dimensions 6.77 inches in diameter, 13 inches in width, 8.43 inches in height. Review. As someone who relies heavily on portable power solutions for off-grid adventures and backup power needs, I recently had the opportunity to put the LiTime 12V 100Ah LiFePO4 battery to the test, and I must say, it left me thoroughly impressed. Features: high capacity. With a whopping 100 ampere hours capacity, this LiFePO4 battery offers an abundance of energy to keep your devices and appliances running for extended periods. Whether you're camping, boating, or need a backup power source at home, this battery has you covered. Long cycle life. The LiTime battery boasts an impressive 2000 plus cycle life. This means it can be charged and discharged over 2,000 times before you'll start to see any significant reduction in its performance. This longevity ensures it'll be a reliable companion for years to come. Lithium iron phosphate chemistry. LiFePO4 chemistry is known for its safety and stability. It's less prone to overheating or catching fire compared to other lithium-ion batteries, making it a secure choice for various applications. Manageable weight. Weighing in at 28.6 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and capacity. It's heavy enough to reassure you of its durability, but not so heavy that it becomes impractical to carry. Compact design. Its dimensions of 13 x 6.8 x 8.4 inches make it relatively compact, ensuring it fits easily into a variety of setups, whether it's in your RV boat or as part of a solar power system. Maintenance-free. This LiFePO4 battery requires minimal maintenance, freeing you from the hassle of constantly checking water levels or performing complex upkeep routines. Pros and cons. Pros: high capacity for extended use. Exceptional cycle life ensures long-term reliability. Safety-oriented LiFePO4 chemistry. Manageable weight and compact design. Virtually maintenance-free. Suitable for a wide range of applications. Cons: slightly heavier than some alternatives. Initial cost is higher than traditional lead-acid batteries. Conclusion: in my experience, the LiTime 12V 100Ah LiFePO4 battery delivers on its promise of reliability and endurance. Whether it's powering my camping adventures or serving as a backup power source during emergencies, it has consistently performed admirably. While it may come with a slightly higher price tag, the peace of mind and longevity it offers make it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of dependable portable power. If you're interested in purchasing this product or would like to learn more, you can find the link in the description below. Don't hesitate to explore further.